In this video, we're going to install a chimney cap. This is very easy. All you need are some simple hand tools and safe access to your chimney. When you go to order one of these guys, just get up on your roof and measure the outside edges of your chimney. Amazon has a ton of different sizes. I'll put a link in the description on where you can buy them. It's going to come with all the hardware you need. It has screws to go in the corners or in the middle. In my case, I'm going to go in the middle. And then it also has some hardware to mount it to the inside of the chimney if that's what you need to do. But all you got to do is start the screws, get them a little bit started, and if they fight with you, you can use a wrench and snug them in that way if you can't do it by hand or a screwdriver's not working as well. Now let's go put this on the chimney. Just set it on there and then tighten up the screws. Now you're not cranking these things down, because if you do, all you're going to do is bend the metal. We're just snugging them up, and snug's not even the right word. You're just, I don't know, screwing them in a little bit. It's stretching out the metal a little bit. You'd be surprised how well these screws hold this thing on. That ain't going nowhere. If you're super concerned or you're in a high wind area, you can put an L bracket and then hit it with a tap con. Tap cons are these blue screws. So you would drill a hole and then screw the tap con in and put an L bracket if you wanted to. But in this case, this is not going anywhere. You may notice some sealant here. What I did is, while I'm up here and I'm thinking about it, I figured why not just go grab a tube of this and seal up all the cracks. That may be a good idea for you as well. And then run along the outside or that seam of the chimney as well. And there you go, we've got the chimney cap on. I'll put a link in the description on where you can buy one of these guys and measure the outside of your chimney. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I hope you found the video useful. Have a great day.